I'm going to find out what time it is. It is 5 minutes past the hour. 28 to 4, guys. No, that's right. Yeah, 20 to 4 is pretty good, guys. I think we're going to let the guys have a couple little bit more plays, and I think I might give my rest a voice, and we'll be able to be prepared for tomorrow's event. So thank you for coming around, and thank you for looking, guys. We will see you later in the club room. The main meal will be happening for all participants in today's event and tomorrow's event. There is a meal and auction, so please stick around for that if you can. Please encourage before you go home. If you can get a dedicated driver in the truck somewhere else and do what they're doing, it'll be fantastic. Thank you, guys.
Farmer 3110 LSA. It's been pulling the sled backwards since lunchtime.
I'm out here and I'll get things organised after this run. I'll get the tractor back and then we'll work out what we're doing. Hi, Mum. Alright, we got this happening, this last one to run through. Got two pulls for this one. We'll see how well he does go.
Go Jeffrey! Keep going! That's better.
Right.
He's trying to avoid that pile. You should. Jeff's doing it easy. That's a gorgeous tractor.